Good morning, Fishco friends. Okay, so in light of us talking about Earth Day, I thought that we could do a few yoga poses. Now, I'm no yoga expert, parents, and the kids know this. I don't do yoga often, only sometimes if I feel like we really need it in a classroom, if things are just kind of going a little crazy. But I'm no pro. The kids probably know more yoga poses than me, but we are going to do a few yoga poses to help celebrate Earth Day. So these yoga poses are dedicated mostly to nature. And we're going to start off with one that is pretty much known just right off the bat, and it's the tree pose. So we're gonna start with taking our deep breath in and a deep breath out. We're gonna go into our pose. And it is okay if you fall like me, friends, okay? So once we do that, we breathe in and out again, and then we'll move on to our second pose. So deep breath in and out. Our next pose is going to be pretending to be a frog, and this pose is actually the squat pose. So in this one, we just go down into a squat, but our feet are flat on the ground and we squat. Sorry, flat on the ground. Little crack in there. Next, we're going to pretend to be a seed, and this one is the child's pose. So you get down, and you sit on your legs, and then you just go down. Our next one is, this one is called the butterfly pose, and so we're gonna pretend to be butterflies. We sit on our bottoms. Almost like crisscross applesauce, but not really. You put your feet together, okay? And you can hold your feet together with your hands. Sit up straight and just relax and breathe in and out. Listen to the music. If you want, you can flap your legs like little butterfly wings. Our next pose that we're going to move in is almost like the same pose as the butterfly pose, but it's a little different, and it's called the flower pose. And on this, we're going to pretend to be flowers. So you hold your feet the same way, but now we're gonna use our hands and our arms to help lift our legs up. Ready? And with all of those poses, you can go as long as you want or as short as you want with the time. But those are our nature poses, and I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope that you guys are going to participate. And also, if you are going to participate, please, please, please share your video with us. We want to see you do these poses, Fishbowl friends, okay? So, love you, and hopefully we'll see each other real soon.